Hi, so this is me awkwardly vlogging my family pilgrimage to Madras Velankanni. I don't usually film in public, but here we are. This was day one of our trip. It is not perfect, it is just real. So if you are here for faith, some fun, and a little social anxiety, welcome. Hi, and a very warm welcome to my channel. So I'm actually in Madras Velankanni, and I decided to go ahead and vlog this trip for you guys. It's a very impromptu decision that I took because my brother was insisting on vlogging this trip. So it's our first day today at Velankanni. We reached last night at around 7:30. We just checked into our hotel and then had shower, went out to eat, and now today is like the complete first day at this place. Yeah, early morning we went to the beach to just go ahead and get a little wet, and then we took the RP plates that we take, and then we went in the church, gave some offerings, and now we went home, had a shower, and then we had a 10 o'clock English mass. We attended the mass, and now we are here for our brunch, which I guess we are too early for the brunch. There's nothing that is available right now. They have just started. 11:30 till 11:30 they have their breakfast, and after that they serve all the lunch menu. So we are at this hotel which is called Hotel Mary Queen. So now we will have our lunch, brunch, and then let's see what happens next. I will take you around. My hair is a mess. There's too much of chaos right now because there's a lot of people coming in. I'm having pineapple. Okay, mango. We are opposite this place. This is the place that we are actually staying at. It's called Silver Sands Residency, and there are many lodges or rooms that are available here. So if you ever come here, you don't have to worry about the stay. The only reason why we are staying here is because this place has a lift, and this is the lift area. Our room is on first floor. So we're going on first floor. They have, I guess, 4 floors here. Yeah, they have actually renovated this place. We were actually supposed to take 202 room, which is a bigger one, with a kitchen. We did not take that is because the bathroom windows were broken and there were insects coming in. And I did not want to take that risk. So we went for the smaller room that we had available. You have to be careful. Yeah. There is something. In a very small room. We paid 2,000 for this room. I'll give you a full room tour later on when the space is empty. Now it's all messed up. And now we are just gonna go and relax for a while, and then I'll see you again in the evening. Okay guys, I have actually changed my outfit, just the t-shirt. And now I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee. I have milk in this, so, and a glass here. You get milk, tea, everything downstairs at the shop. I have carried my Raat Ki Rani espresso from Impulse Coffee in this. Okay. I guess this much is enough. Yay. I'm gonna mix it all in. And this is like my skincare slash makeup pouch. I have some skincare and makeup that I have packed in this a lot. Good. I like Raat Ki Rani espresso from Impulse. I'm using my Foxtail moisturizer. Now I'm gonna use my Neutrogena sunscreen. Focus. I'm gonna use my Mars lip liner. Okay, so this is my outfit. It's very like casual, and I just wore a cap. Please don't mind the mess behind. And now we are out and about. So today is Monday and today is Joyful Mystery. So we are actually heading towards the Joyful Mysteries statue, the one that you see behind. I guess that is Sorrowful Mystery if I'm not wrong. But then the Joyful Mystery is way ahead. So we are just walking through the pathway.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So we are actually done with the Rosary. Now we are just going to shop a little and see what we get.
How much for that sari?
980. Sorry for 980. What does it say? Luwali shop here. Nagore famous halwa. Here are caps, t-shirts. Kanala? हाँ. You want? कितना इसका? हाँ? 240.
Not light. 4 I wanted. 4. No, 150 okay.
No. This is with light.
This is of light.
How you turn off the light? Not yet.
Now we are going to the right towards the beach. Good. Now we are going to the shopping mall. I like this one, but where are the cribs? That side's the smaller one is there. That small one. Excuse. Small crib, how much? Huh?
800.
6,800. And that down one? 4,000. I like this. How much? 250. ते वाला आहे ना 4,000 कवर बोलते पण 3,000 कवर होईल. ते बारकं बरं दिसतंय
एकदमच
ना
बारकूस आहे.
एकदम बारकं आहे मग य साईज पाहिजे
काय आहे फायबर आहे
सेरामिक
अनब्रेकेबल
नाही सेरामिक तुटेल
नाही विच अनब्रेकेबल प्लास्टिक फायबर इट कम्स ना
Plastic fiber we don't have.
No.
That do not have that much quality and finish. Ceramic we
this how much 60 and this 60 how much for this
100.
this all 100 and this clips 150 150 mummy yeah
Chinese chivalry splendid. Yeah. Chinese
but this is very big
Very?
big for our space
Sorry.
1 hour later.
And that wraps up day 1 of my Velankanni trip. Thanks for watching and sticking through my awkward filming moments. I have more clips from the next day, so let me know if you would like to see them too. Also, please like, share and subscribe for more such content, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to all. Bye.